Welcome again, students, to another lesson using www.sketchup.com free. This is part 3 of a 4-part series, and we're making the basic parts for the imaginary playground. And we're on the wall climb and the wall handle pieces. So without further ado, let's continue. I'm just going to, navigate again to the SketchUp free, logging in with my Google account and going to the free version. And as I've said repeatedly, create new, simple template, feet and inches. Go to the Model Info tab and select decimals, leave the precision as it is, and change the snap interval to 0.125 and hit the Enter key. Select the 5'8" lady, hit the Delete key, move to the Scenes tab and select the parallel projection and put it in front view. And then I'm going to move the origin with my pan tool down to the left. Next, I'm going to review what does the wall handle look like. It looks to me like it's got a radius of 1.5, and this inner radius looks like it's offset here by 0.75 inches. So what I'm going to do is first go to my circle and select the origin point and stretch it out, and then type 1.5 in the Enter key, and don't get alarmed if it's too small. You zoom in, and then you're going to do the orbit tool so that you can use the push-pull tool to push 1 inch and then hit Enter. Go to front view again. Then I'm going to use the offset tool. It's the third tool down under the push-pull tool. You're going to select the edge of your handle and then push in and type in 0.75 and then hit the Enter key. And of course you can orbit. And this time you could pull. You could use the pull tool to pull it out. 1 inch, Enter. And there's your wall handle. So you're going to go Save. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Save. Don't forget to put it in your playground folder. Call it wall handle. And then you can export as PNG. So I'm going to make the wall. First, select these 3 lines and click New. And it's reset. So I select the decimal and I reset the snap interval to 0.125. Select Enter. Select the 5'8" lady and hit Delete. Go to the Scenes tab and then make sure it's in parallel projection and front view yet again. And use the pan tool to move the origin down and to the left. Now I'm going to go back and review the wall plan. And as I can see here, the width of the wall is 72 and the height of the wall is 123. Let's start there with a rectangle. So you grab your rectangle tool. Rectangle tool, and select the origin. Click and stretch it up. And as you're stretching it up, you want to type in 72, 123, Enter. And there you have. Now, I'm going to use a rectangle again and review yet again. It looks like I have an 18 by 27 rectangle. So I'm going to select this corner and type down, and then I'm going to go 18, 27, Enter. Oops, and that's Control Z because I entered it backwards. Hit escape, escape, escape a few times. Back to the rectangle tool yet again. Click. 18, 27. Nope, I'm doing it wrong. Control Z. 27, 18. Enter. Go to the other corner. Move it down and to the left. 27, 18. Enter. There you have it. And now you use maybe okay, we can use a line at this point across the bottom and then use the eraser tool to erase this line and this line and even this line. And there you have it. So then you have to pull 3 inches. Push it. 3, enter. There you have your wall. And don't bother to put the circular cutouts on your wall. Just save it in your playground folder. Call it wall climb. And then save here. And that, and it says saved, and it says wall climb. Then you click these 3 lines and export as PNG. And finally, we have the monkey bar. So select these 3 lines, click new, don't save, move to the decimal, leave the default precision, change the snap interval again to 0.125, hit the enter key, select the 5'8" lady, hit delete, move to the scenes tab, put it in parallel projection and front view, and move your origin down and to the left. Now, the monkey bar plan, it looks to me like the circles are 2 inches in diameter, which means 1 inch in radius. It looks to me like it's a square bar, 6 by 6, and it's 72 inches, 96 inches long, 96 inches long. So back to SketchUp, recalling that it's 96 by 6. So I'm going to start here and stretch it across, type in 96, 6, and then hit the enter key. That's the proper size. Now I'm going to orbit and use the push-pull tool to push the profile out 6 inches. Now I return to the front view again, and I'm going to use the line tool to find the center of the bar and 12 inches from the left. As I go across, I'm just going to enter. I'm going to, on the keypad, down on the bottom right, you'll see the length. Enter 1, 2 for 12, enter. And then pause to put a circle right there, and it's a 1 inch radius. So type 1, enter. And then I'm going to grab the pencil tool yet again. And from this endpoint, I'm going to slide it over 12 inches. So go 12, enter. I grab the circle tool, put it right there. Type 1, enter. You're going to do this until you go all the way across this bar. You can grab the pan tool if you need. Back to the line tool. Stretch across, 12, enter. Grab the circle. 1, enter. See, each circle's got a radius of 1 and a diameter of 2. Pencil tool, 12 inches, enter. Circle tool, select. 1, enter. Pencil tool, 12, enter. Circle tool, 1, enter. Pencil tool, slide it across, 12, enter. Circle tool, click, stretch, 1, enter. Pencil tool, click, stretch, 12, enter. And the final circle, click, stretch, 1, enter. Now return with your eraser, grab the eraser tool and get rid of all the extra lines so that all you see on your monkey bar are the circles. forget to get each of the little segments, move them all. Then, almost done, so we'll rotate with the orbit tool, get the push-pull tool, select the profile of the circle, click, push it back, type 6, enter, and select the next, 6, enter. Select the next circle, click, push, 6, enter. Click, push, 6, enter. Select the circle profile, push it back, 6 on the keypad, enter on the keypad. Click, push it back, 6 on the keypad, enter on the keypad. Click, push, 6, enter. Select the circle, push it back, type 6 for distance, and then enter. Now that I've done all those, I want to orbit around to verify that my holes went all the way through the bar, and it looks like they did. So finally, click Save. And don't forget to save it in your playground folder. And this is the monkey bar. Save here. And then finally, File, Export as PNG. Now, those are all 10 parts whose images you must turn in for full assignment credit. Hope this video helps you. Good luck.